Guys, the following 16 hours will be the most important 16 hours that we have seen for the Bitcoin price in a very, very long time. And I will tell you exactly during this video why that is. But I can give you already a small spoiler because, guys, it's for sure. Because of our weekly close happening in exactly 16 hours. And as you guys know, Bitcoin is exactly on decision mode, either if we're closing this weekly candle above or below our very, very important 8-year support and resistance line. So guys, I can promise you, you don't want to miss out on this video. Watch it till the very, very end. Thank you also, guys, for your amazing support. My last video got 50 likes, which is insane. Maybe this video somehow can reach 100 thumbs up. If you go below the video and you see you haven't liked it yet, give it a thumbs up. Let's reach 100 likes. And if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and also leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot to get this small channel off the ground and into the YouTube algorithm. But let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. As I mentioned before, we are really looking out for this weekly close right now, because if we're closing below, as we have seen in the past, if we close the weekly chart below the 8-year resistance, we always, or if we, for example, don't even manage to get above it, we always see a correction to our lower support line, as we can see. We always see a correction to our lower support line. So if we are not able to hold this weekly candle above, I'm pretty sure we could see a drop down to $25,000, like we have seen it so far in every single time when we drop below this 8-year resistance. But right now, as you guys know, we are still above this 8-year resistance. So this scenario is definitely not the likely one. The likely one is definitely the bullish one. And we are going to talk about this now, especially with the help of the lower time frames in a few seconds as well. So as you can see, my prediction, if we close the weekly chart above it, I think we will see a run up to a new all-time high, maybe another small correction, a retest of the 8-year support and resistance, and then a big run up to around 300k. But that's really for the long term. That's not important, because we have to be very careful within the next 16 hours. So we want to look at the smaller time frames to know what to expect. So at the moment, as you guys know, I mentioned it in the last video, I think this horizontal resistance here is the most important resistance that we at the moment have above us. It's the $49,350 level. That's the most important level that we have to close a 4-hourly candle above. So I'm really looking out for a 4-hourly close at around $94,500 later today. If we close our 4-hourly, maybe the last 4-hourly of the day even, at $49,500. I think it's game over for the Bitcoin bears. I think we will have a run up to at least $55,000 very easily, since we also have this falling wedge here. You can see this falling wedge here that is forming, or is already, that already formed, and we already broke out of also, and we are retesting it at the moment. And at the moment, it's looking like a beautiful, successful retest. So I'm very confident that the bulls will try again to break this very important resistance today within the next 16 hours. And I think this will be a very deciding point for this bull run, as long as, we are bullish anyways. Even if we don't get above this resistance line today, we will be still bullish, because as long as we don't close, let me check this, as long as we don't close above approximately $47,500 with this weekly candle, we are definitely still in bullish territory. So as long as we don't break below this falling wedge that has already broken out, and it's already looking pretty good. We are just opening the 4-hourly. The last 4-hourly candle closed very nicely. The next 4-hourly is already green. So I'm pretty sure that the Bitcoin bulls will try to retest this resistance in a very short amount of time. And it's the only thing I'm really looking out for is that we're not closing below $74,500. As long as we're staying above $74,500, guys, I think there's nothing to worry about in the next week. I think the next week will be very bullish if we close above $47,500. Closing above this resistance would only, would only result in an even stronger pump than if we only close above the $47,500 level. And also we have to keep in mind that right now, as I predicted also in yesterday's video, there is this inverse head and shoulders pattern forming that already the inverse head and shoulders pattern alone has a breakout target of $52,500 approximately. So a pump up to $55,000 with a new weekly, with a bullish weekly candle close, I think is definitely something we have to expect. And like I said, as long as we don't break below the $47,500 level, we won't invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern, yes. So this, as long as we don't break or close a 4-hourly candle below the $47,500 level, we have a very bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern. We have a bullish confirmed breakout out of this falling wedge. We have a bullish weekly candle close above the 8-year resistance and support. So I mean, we can only really expect a big pump if we manage to close above 47,500 till the end of today. I want to upload this video as quickly as possible so you don't miss out on those very important next 16 hours. I would really appreciate it if you shared this video with your friends, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, write a comment down below. This really helps me to push this channel into the YouTube algorithm, and I really appreciate it that you guys are so active on this channel, are liking every video, are commenting the videos, and yeah, like I said, let's try to reach 100 likes. I would really appreciate it, but other than that, we will see us in the next one. Bye.